Hi everyone, I hope that you're all safe, and I've been thinking I'm gonna do like a few challenge videos, with my Rubik's Cubes. So every single day I'm gonna solve a Rubik's Cube, and it's gonna increase in difficulty by day. So it's just like a little challenge thing, what I've thought to myself. So here we've got not that one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. And then there's one in the next door bedroom, and that's 19. So obviously some of them I've never been able to solve. So they are really going to be a problem for me, but for all of you, I'm going to try my best, and that live video might go on for ages, and it might be in parts, but I will do whatever it takes to solve them. So for today, we're going to start it off easy, and I am going with the floppy cube. The hardest one, well, the third hardest one, because some I can't solve, you'll actually be very surprised with, so make sure to keep sticking around for them. So the floppy cube. Now I'm just going to mix this up. So this is, in my opinion, the easiest cube that I have got. And yeah. So this is the hardest mix up what you can really get with it. And first thing you need to do, you need to get it back as a flat cube. Square. So that's your first step, and I've just completed that. So now we just need to complete one side, and then one side will mean that it's all done. So there we go, we've got the cross on both sides. So that's our first step. And now we just need to lift them up, twist that round, turn it back, and then twist that round. So that's what we've got so far, but they are the wrong way round. So we need to flip them round like that. So then we've got it like that, and then we need to flip it up. Now this is a problem with the floppy cube. This is the hardest bit what you need to overcome. Them. I like to call them traffic lights. So you just need to make sure you get one full straight line like that. And then you want to twist that round, so then you begin to get the other sides. So like now we've got all the sides, and then we just need to reform the cross by turning these middle parts round. And then that's the floppy cube complete. So it's not really that hard, to be fair. I think I made it really difficult for myself, and I really just failed on that, really, and I should have done it way quicker than that. But I've been a bit rusty, I haven't really done any in a while. But yeah, that's the floppy cube complete. So let me just put that back a sec. Please come back tomorrow for more Rubik's Cube, and tomorrow I will do... Let's have a look. I will do this. I don't really know what it's called. It's like Killer Minx, that's it. It's the Killer Minx, but I just call it a Baby Mega Minx. So tomorrow I will do this, which is really easy. It's not really complicated at all. And then the day after we will return to the original 3x3. So yeah, just make sure for that. In fact, I'll mix it up for you all now. So yeah, just make sure to return tomorrow. And if you return tomorrow, then you're just a great guy. Just a great guy. So that's what I'm going to be solving tomorrow. So please, stay safe, make sure to stay at home and support the NHS. And clap for carers every Thursday. And just do what you can. And mostly, just stay safe. We don't want anyone getting hurt. So, I hope you're all okay, and I hope you all stay safe. See you tomorrow, guys.